For many years, people wondered what was beyond Earth. There was no way for anyone to explore the boundaries outside of our atmosphere. The space shuttle allowed for these explorations to take place. The space shuttle is a spacecraft that is similar to a rocket and an airplane. So the real question is, what forces allow a space shuttle to launch? Hello, Emily Drapinski, your interviewer number one. What forces allow a space shuttle to launch into space?
I believe there's friction in the
Friction?
bottom of the spaceship, and it like rubs together and fire, and then
So what exactly is the psh? How does that take place?
there's probably some sort of gas that's flammable that comes out of a pipe, and then once it gets super hot, there's friction. It catches on fire.
So if it catches on fire, how does that allow it to launch into space, though?
The fire pushes off against the ground.
The fire pushes off against the ground.
No, it could be like there's a platform and it just kind of.
Okay, thank you for the boop and the psh. Really informational. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hello, Jessica Douglas. You are my second interviewer for today. What forces allow a space shuttle to launch into space?
I would say fire and energy.
So how is fire a force that allows the space shuttle to launch?
Very good question. But fire makes an explosion, and the energy it gives off forces the rocket into space.
Very good explanation. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Hello, Abigail Brosh. You are my third and final interview for today. Can you tell me what forces allow a space shuttle to launch into space?
Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, and when the fire goes boom, there's inertia.
So the fire goes boom and inertia allows the space shuttle to launch. Can you please explain a little bit farther?
There is a force, friction with the fire.
Okay, thank you for your interview. That was great. Have a nice day. After hearing some wonderful explanations as to why a rocket launches into space, it can actually be explained using Newton's third law. A common misconception is that rockets accelerate because the gases rushing out the back of the engine push against the ground or the atmosphere, as heard in the interviews. But that's not true. What happens instead is that a rocket exerts a strong force on the gases, expelling them, and the gases exert an equal and opposite force on the rocket. It is this latter force that propels the rocket forward, the force exerted on the rocket by the gases. Thus, a space vehicle is maneuvered in empty space by firing its rockets in the direction opposite to that in which it needs to accelerate. When the rocket pushes on the gases in one direction, the gases push back on the rocket in the opposite direction. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.